Siswatun from the Faculty of Economics and Business Management Study Program with class code 64.2a.25. Here I want to explain the latest electronics program from the Vivo brand, namely an advanced mobile phone with the name Vivo IQ 13, and here is my explanation in video. Okay, leading innovation from Vivo IQ 13. The next video is company profile is Vivo brand. Vivo is company from China, which was founded in 2009 by two Chinese entrepreneurs, namely Dong Yongping and Shen Wei. Vivo is a technology company that creates great products based on value driven by design with smart device and smart service as its core. And this company aims to build and break down between humans and the digital world. Vision and mission of Vivo. Vision of Vivo develop into a healthier and more sustainable world and class company. And mission for the Vivo, creating great products from the other in progressive environment for employees, creating a win-win platform for the partners based on mutual and thus providing and a stable long-term returns on the investment for shareholders. In the next slide, Vivo does the right target market for its products, namely young customers who are activity on social media and next smartphone that are capable of providing high quality photos and videos. Therefore, Vivo delivers its products with superior camera features and high image processing capability. Then Vivo also adjusting its marketing strategy and marketing its product with creative advertising campaigns and focusing on the use of social media. Vivo has partnered with influencers and young celebrations who are popular on social media. Achievement and market presence of the company Vivo. Vivo has the aesthetics and significant position is both the global market and Indonesian canal for its camera innovation and its strong presence is the smartphone market. Vivo conveniently ranks at the top of the smartphone market, both globally and in the major markets such as Indonesia and India. Globally, Vivo rates the top 5, and Vivo is one of the 5 largest mobile phone brands, and in Indonesia, Vivo occupies the first position as the #1 smartphone vendor in Indonesia in 2020 with a market share of 25% and 25% in the Vivo brand. And overall, Vivo's market presence is the characteristics. And next slide, product picture IQ 13. Product specification, screen and TV, LTPO AMOLED, says 60.82 inches refresh rate, 104,004 Hz, resolution 144 x 300 1060x pixels, ratio 20.9 decimal 3 500 times ppi. Other feature 1.70 billion colors and HDR 10 views and screen to body ratio 90 0.2%. Chipsets Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite supercomputing chips Q2, which is made in iQOO to improve gaming capabilities. Memory RAM and 12 GB and 60 GB RAM taper LPDDR6X internal memory 5011 GB 1TB memory taper UVS 4.0 external memory known and features also when Rails Android 15 folds OS 15 updates. Next color black or alpha, white or legends. Other features are 24 bits or 192 kHz resolution audio and stereo speakers, 4x OS upgrades, 5 years security patch updates, and battery 1600 1050 mAh specialty older fats 120 watts fast charging and claims 100 space in 20 minutes. Operation system and special function iQOO 13 runs functions OS 15 operation system based on Android 15. Special features dual chips on chipset, high gaming performance, a long time update, AI feature and artificial intelligence, weather and dust resistant, advanced screen. The next slide, iQOO 13 price and available variants. Price 12 GB or 256 GB, 9,999,000, and price 60 GB or 512 GB and 11,999,000. Legend variants or whites, alpha or matte blacks. And the next slide, product installations. Body with excellent build quality has IP68 certification and encoding the first phone that's SoC Snapdragon 8 Elite and 1015 mAh silicon carbide battery with 1020 W fast charging and LTPO AMOLED screen with 1.7 billion color display, and configuration of their 15 MP camera sets are functional and reliable. Components okay with infrared USB Type-C 3.220. Product design Vivo iQOO 13 has an interface design with a legendary white color options typical of the BMW partnership. Their camera module in requires with an RGB monster halo like 10 can be adjusted for notification, charging status, and music ending and features and gaming. Gaming impression has a weather and just resistance. Rating of 68 and IP69, increasing its durability. Camera innovation supports supermode mode in the ability to zoom up to 100x digital. The front camera can record 4,000 video at 60 fps without stabilization. Gaming capability has a red battery with 120 watt fast charging, allowing longer gaming sessions using as the expansion vapor chamber. Cooling system keeping the phone low, equipped with a special Q2 super computing chips for the features such as interpolation, Framer states in such additional Framer for a smoother gaming experience. And the target audience takes mention young customers who are active on social media and need a smartphone that can produce high quality photo and video. And the slogan for the Vivo IQ13 and realize your digital future with Vivo. Once more again, realize your digital future with Vivo. Call to action promotion strategy and visual advertising campaigns. Feel the amazing perform with our friends copies upgrade and now visit your official website Vivo www.vivo.com, or you can go to our official social media account Vivo_Indonesia, and you can also get with advanced smartphone at the nearby Vivo Calpon store in your area. And thank you for the attention. Happy fall. It will be also on the apologies if there are any mistakes in the words of stance in the delivery of the product. Thank you all. Hi everyone, my name is Eva Uswatun. People usually call me Eva. I'm from Faculty Economics and Business Program Study Management from class 64.2a.25. Here I will give information about international travel, namely an African adventure trip that includes 3 destinations in interesting countries, namely Congo, Nigeria, and Libya. Thirdly, African Adventure Travel Program in Congo, Nigeria, and Libya. The next slide, table of contacts. And number 1, tourist campaigns. Number 2, interesting thoughts destination. And number 3, tour packs to Congo, packs and benefits. Number 4, security and safety guides. Number 5, world maps. And number 6, closing. Next slide, tourist campaigns, Congo, Nigeria, and Libya. Congo, the government of the Democratic Republic of Congo is trying to develop the tourist sector towards the development. Congo, heads of Africa's wilderness campaigns. The main focus in this program is on wild stories, animals, conservation, and sustainable eco-stories. The government also strengthens infrastructure to national parks such as Fingerans National Park, as well as implementing state tourist safety regulations for mountainous and tropical rains visits. So, in addition, Congo English local community participation in the tourist industry, talk and the development of small business in the tourist sector. Nigeria, the government of the Democratic Republic of Nigeria is trying to develop the tourist sector through a campaign by running the Tour Nigeria program intended by the Nigerian Tourist Development Corporation and airport moderate promotion of cultural festivals such as Kalbar Carnival and intercept access to national destinations, cultural, culinary, and music tourists. The surface Nigeria's national identity. Libya, the government of the Democratic Republic of Libya. The government, the tourist sector charge in the discovered Libya, campaigns to art tourists after the conflict's restoration. Roman historians such as Leibniz Mama and Sabrata, as well as increased church security in coast areas, historical and archaeological too. Interesting tourist destination, Congo and tourist excursion and the Figura National Park. This is image and the natural sites, Kivu Lakes and the Congo rivers, and cultural sites, Goma local markets with traditional craft of Congo tribes. And the next, Nigeria, tour the extraction Zuma Rocks, iconic Giant Rocks next Abuja, and national sites are in Agency Waterfall and Yankari Desert. And the cultural sites are the Kalbar Carnival and also Bo Sacred Grove and the UNESCO World Heritage. And next, in Libya, tourist attractions and the Lapis Magna and Magnified Fiction and the Roman heritage city by the sea. And the national sites are Sahara Desert parts of the Libya with sand dunes and oases, and the cultural sites Meminical of the Tripoli, an old area with classical Islamic areas. Tour package to Congo. Price and the benefits. Congo package name, Congo Adventure Tourist and 5 days, 4 nights. Price 28 million per person, including plans, tickets, accommodation, and the tour fee. And next are the travel schedules. Day 1, arrive in the Kinshasa city tour and welcome dinner. And day 2, are the flight to Goma, visit to Lake Kivu. And the day 3, trekking to Fingura National Parks, Saint Mount Gorillas. And day 4, visit to Mount Ningarongo and the lake climbing. Day 5, shopping for the souvenirs and the return to Kinshasa for the return flight. Facilities for the Star Hotel, professional tours the guides, private transportation and the travel escorts, benefits, exclusive experience exploring the vast nature of Africa, supporting the conservation of rare animals and the getting to know the local culture. And the 4, security and the safety guarantee. And 4, security and the safety guards. This tour package is the completely safe with the support of the local governments and the certified tour operators, as trip is equipped with travel escorts and the professional guides and the local security escorts. We believe that tourists will feel calm, comfortable, and confident of the adventure in the heart of Africa with us, enjoying the authentic natural beauty with grounded safety. Iconic African Premium Tour Package, explore the soul of African. 14 days, 3 concerts, Congo, Nigeria, and Libya. Overview, experience to African harmony in a 14 days journey that combines the adventure of the Congo with the pulse of Nigerian culture and the music, as well as the beauty of Roman history and the Sahara Desert in Libya, designates for the explorers who are looking for an extensive, exclusive, and meaningful experience. Competence and Literary Day 1 to 3 is Sahara Democratic Republic of Congo, dam, forest, river, and live in the Central Africa. And 1. Every fall in the Kasasa will come by the local team. And 2. Explore the Congo rivers of the largest rivers in the world. 3. A short expedition to Fingura National Park and optimal meets mountain gorillas in the natural habitat. And 4. The typical Congolese dinner with livestock music. And 5. They stay at 5-star camping values Congo Hotel. Day 4 to 7 Lagos and Abuja, Nigeria. Dam, culture, music, and the modernity of the West Africa. 1. Fly to Lagos, the center of Afrobeat arts and music. And 2. Visit Calcutta Republic Museum and the legendary home of La Kunti. 3. South at Lekki Arts and Craft Market. 4. Tasty jolly rice suya and the pepper soup at a Seizi's restaurant. 5. Day 6 trips to Abuja tour the National Mosque of the Nigeria and Zumba Rocks. 6. Exclusive Nigerian culture nights with Yoruba traditional dance and the accommodation Eco Hotels and the Suites Lagos 5-star and the Transcorp Hilton Abuja 5-star. Day 8 to 14 and the Tripoli and Sahara Desert Libya. Dam, Roman historic natural wonders of the desert. 1. Fly to Tripoli to explore Leptis magma and 200 years old ancient Roman city. And 3 days expedition to Gamet's Oasis Desert Pearl and the Camel Safari and the next camping under the Star of Sahara. Day 14 returns to Tripoli, 10 flight bags and the accommodation Ration Blue Tripoli 5 and the desert camp Gamet's luxury tents, Libyan typical dinners in a traditional house, Hideman, sauce, basins, and mint tea. Package includes 1. International and domestic flight tickets. 2. 5-star accommodation and exclusive tent in the Sahara. And 3. Are considered private transportation. And 4. Multilingual educational guides. And 5. And the train tickets to tour objects and safari. Price start from 945 person budget 1 2 people per room, 10% discount for early registration 3 months before departure. And next, exclusive bonus 1. Professional photo session in Sahara. 2. Typical souvenirs from Sokosi. 3. Explorers of Africa. Certificates from the tour operator. They feature 226 limited batch 1 and the 15 January, batch 2, 20 April, batch 3, 10 Augustus, and batch 4, 25 October. And that's all my presentation about African adventure Congo, Nigeria, Libya. Sorry if there are any mistakes in the word of the sentence in the conveying the information. Thank you for the attention all.